So let's talk about the tuning first. There's quite a few guitars on the original recording, um, and some people have said it's tuned to like F, like F F F F F C F. Others have said it's open E. Um, and like I say, there's five or six, maybe five guitars. Um, they could all be in different tunings. Who knows? So I've tried to make something that's easy to get into, um, and is fairly common tuning. It's basically Dad Gad, but with the G. So DAD instead of GAD, DAD, and then tune that G all the way down to a D. So Dad, Dad. And then I capo it on the second fret to bring it up to E so it's more closely to the original recording. I think to match the original recording, you may have to go up even another half step to F, but I do it in open E. So it's basically, again, the tuning, just tune like you're tuning the Dad Gad, but on that G, tune the G down to another D. So it would be DAD, DAD, but capoed to E on the second fret. Winds up being, I believe, EB, I guess. EB, yeah. So E, B, E, another E, B, E. So E, B, E, E, B, E. So I'll just go slowly through through the parts, and I'll give the frets, solid frets, not from the capoed. So the first is on the 12th fret with the I'm gonna call them the E. I'll call them like they're if this is you're in standard tuning. So the E and the D strings, and you're muting the A string. All right, so I'll do it slowly. So 12, 5, 11, 6, 9, and then little riff on I'm playing the open E string. So it's like 12, 14, 12, 11, 7. So I'll do it slowly. Whoops. Damn it. So he does that twice, and then it goes into what I'll call the main riff. I'll just run through it a couple times. So and as you run through that, you can modify it, basically whatever sounds good to you. But that's the general main riff. And it's important to get that. He's got a slight bend on that will be the 4th fret. And that goes all the way through the first verse, I guess, which would be the chorus. I'm lost behind, words I'll never find, sleeping in a full moon blanket, sand and feathers for my head, dreams that never bring the answers, and dreams that never make my bed. And then he switches into what I call it a major section. So the first part is using the A and the B strings, which are just basically octaves apart. And then the landing on the same, the E and the D strings like we did in the intro. So A and B strings, E and the D strings, and again muting that A because that won't sound pretty. It may sound okay. I don't know if it's in the key or not. Anyway, I mute it. And then one chorus, I guess, that I'm lost behind, words I'll never find, left behind as seasons roll on by. And then coming out of that seasons roll on by is another little riff. It's basically on the A. So it'd be open, open. And I'm doing again with the A and the B strings. And basically barring the 3, so you get kind of a power chord. And on that, again, the little bend there. Can't go feathers in the rain. And then coming out of that, the third little riff is pulling off on the 5th fret, and then the A and the B strings, and it's kind of a rhythm thing on the pull-offs into the slide. So I'll do it at regular speed. So it's kind of it's hard to do it slow. So gets back to the major version of the chorus, "I'm lost behind." And then at the end of that, as it, I'm left as the season roll on by. Yeah. So it goes. There's a little bridge back into that intro riff. Should I be? If I should be short on words, long on things to say, could you cry into my world, take new worlds away? Again, so coming out of the major, I'm left behind. Drop down to 6 to 9 to 12. So I'll do quickly do the verse into that bridge, I guess would be. And I'm lost behind words I never find, and I'm left behind as the seasons roll on by. Yeah. If I should be short on words, long on things to say. All right, and then the last thing at the end of that bridge where should I be beside myself and not even stay? And then he goes into the ooze. Then he goes back into that little pull-off riff. And then goes back into the main regular riff, the picked riff. So. And then I'm lost behind words I'll never find. Then he switches to the major, but picking, and I'm left behind as the seasons roll on by. Yeah. So, sorry, doorbell. All right, so. So then the words I'll never find. So the first two are in the minor, I guess, and then words I'll never find. Then on the left and behind, I'm left. So I'll just play it slowly. And then the season rolls on by. Damn, it's hard to do it slow. 7th fret, 6, 9, and then ends on open. So there you go. Quick video, no edits. Hopefully, if you have questions, comment below. I'll slow down certain steps, but like I say, use your ears, however it sounds good to you. But that's how I play it.